This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying exactly what tab you see at the top and which Chrome window it belongs to. Once done, save any open work. You don't want to lose tabs. Next, open Chrome and go to Settings. This gets you to the controls you'll change. Make sure you're in the right profile if you use multiple accounts, because settings are per profile and you want to fix the display for the correct instance. Now adjust the display controls to remove the top tab bar. On Windows, toggle U-System title bar and borders to move tabs into the title bar or detach them. On Mac OS, use the View menu to show or hide tab bar. Next, open Extensions and disable any extensions that modify Chrome's UI. Some add persistent overlays. Make sure to apply one change at a time so you can finish by restarting Chrome to ensure your changes take effect, and then test in an incognito window to rule out extensions. If the tab remains, reset Chrome settings to default. This clears UI tweaks without deleting bookmarks. As a final step, uninstall and reinstall Chrome if the problem persists. If nothing works, a key troubleshooting tip: create a new Chrome profile and test there. If the new profile lacks the top tab, migrate bookmarks and settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.